I think, you know, if there's kind of one thing that you learn from this journey is you should always in life strive towards you know, getting your passions more and more aligned with what you spend your time doing. And I feel like I've been very lucky to kind of go through that in my life, and now I'm in a situation where my passion is 100% aligned with what I spend most of my time doing, and you know, we can impact a lot of people while at the same time returning strong returns to our investors, which is very exciting. And you know, I think what started all of this goes back to your initial question. You know, you never know you know, how you get formed through life, but it was, you know, a very specific moment in my life that I remember really well was when my great grandmother died. And you know, I was quite young at the time. I think it was around 10, and you know, I asked my parents at the time a lot of questions around, you know, what happens after you die. And you know, part of my family is religious, and obviously have answers related to that, and the part of my family is you know, more on the other side of the spectrum, which means you live your life, and you know, whatever happens after is either nothing or we definitely don't know. So I started thinking a lot about, you know, so what do you do with your time on Earth, right? And you know, I think if you spend your time thinking through that, and you know, I think there's a lot more important people than me who've spoken about the importance of just kind of thinking through, if you only have kind of a few years left, how would you spend your time and what would you do? And you know, one of the things at least that I wanted to accomplish is to have some sort of impact on the world in a positive way while you're here. And I think that's something everyone should strive to, of course, on top of being close to your friends and family. So, and I think if you think through that in an early age, it helps directly for the rest of your life, and it helps set a certain set of values and targets and goals that you can drive towards on top of whatever else you believe in.